with It's Alive in St. Louis, coming to you from behind the wheel of our 1959 Jaguar XK150S 3.4-liter open two-seater. Being a 3.4-liter left-hand drive open two-seater, it's one of about 850 built new, and this right here is probably the most sought-after example, being an open two-seater. We acquired this car in early 2026, came out of long-term ownership of about 26 years in Texas, where it is believed to have undergone an incredibly thorough and meticulous restoration. This car retains its matching numbers 3.4-liter XK engine that is complemented by the S-Spec tri-carb setup. And the S-Spec twin pipe exhaust, which in this case is actually a full flow polished stainless steel system. The turn signal switch even self-cancels. Come on. I love a 150. I really do. We've been behind the wheel for about 15 minutes now, moving along the road at about 32 miles per hour at 2,600 RPM. Oil pressure still holding about 45 PSI per the data plate, and the accompanying Jaguar-Daimler Heritage Trust Certificate. This car actually retains its matching numbers engine, block and cylinder head, matching numbers body, matching numbers chassis, and its matching numbers 4-speed gearbox with optional Le Coq de Normandie Overdrive. Overdrive on this car was actually just recently rebuilt by a Marque specialist, our friend John Esposito at Quantum Mechanics up in Connecticut. Works quite literally at the flick of a switch. See, the RPM just dropped close to 900. So moving along 60 miles an hour, engine's only turning 2,400 RPM right now. First production XK to feature 4-wheel disc brakes that actually are power assisted. This car's fun to drive.